In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Claude to manage my Follow Boss CRM. As real estate agents, we know it's important to have a CRM and use it every single day. But in reality, I don't like going into the Follow Boss interface. It's very powerful, but it's a pain to use. So I usually just put it off, don't really enter the leads. I don't really update information about the leads. Don't even log my calls, texts, follow-ups. Don't set up the proper automation so people are put on the right buyer's journey, seller's journey, the reminder journey. I don't like doing any of that. And it's basically another full-time job learning how to use the CRM properly to its fullest extent. But now, because AI is so powerful, I'm actually using my real estate AI operating system to manage my CRM. And I talked about it before, I built my AI operating system on top of Claude. What it does now, my AI assistant using Claude actually goes into my CRM and manages everything. I'm going to show you 4 use cases that I use every single day that I let Claude manage my Follow Up Boss CRM. So now let's go into my AI assistant over here. The first thing I like to do is I ask Claude, who in my CRM should I follow up with today? Because by connecting my AI assistant to my Follow Up Boss CRM, it accesses all of the information, all of the data. It accesses all of the interactions. For example, who favored a property, who wrote me an email, who wrote me a message. It will know all of that. Instead of going into my CRM and find what's going on, this will do that. And on top of that, I created this skill based on the Keller Williams lead scoring matrix, meaning that I use Keller Williams' famous principles on how they identify a lead as a qualified lead so that I'm only focusing on the leads that are ready to transact within the next few months. And as you can see, my AI assistant is going through the live property activities to show the top hot leads from this week's context. So this is exactly what I do every single day. I go in and just ask my AI assistant to go through my CRM and tell me, based on my definition of a hot lead, who I should be following up with today. And here you go. Here's the hot list. This is Lily. Lily is someone who I've been in touch with for the past year or so. And this is what's so great about my CRM skill. Even though this lead came in about a year, maybe a year and a half ago, because Lily recently reached out to me again, and then she's ready to buy in the next few months. And she asked me for a new list of inventory. So I sent it to her. She's now become a hot lead for me. And then there are some other leads like Anthony. This is a new lead that came in for my ChatGPT ads, by the way. I'm going to do a video on this. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT ads for real estate agents, you should definitely subscribe to the channel. This is a seller lead that came in. I sent them the home valuation, and obviously my AI assistants reminded me, hey, I need to follow up with this person. Make sure he's on the auto drip campaign. And then you'll tell me the warm leads and the housekeeping leads. We have Lucy right here. Lucy is from California, looking to buy in July time. Right now we're in June. I think she's going to come down here to Austin soon. So I'm going to follow up with her soon and then try to get everything scheduled. And then it reminds me of the people I need to follow up with. This is a YouTube lead that came in. This is Yasmin. She is coming from San Jose to Austin. She wanted to reserve a day with me just so we can learn more about each other. This is basically what I do every single day to say, okay, here are the list of people I need to follow up with through text, calls, emails, just so I can be on top and building up my pipeline. And this skill is extremely helpful. And the framework I gave Claude is basically score every lead the same way every single morning. It will tell me the hot leads, the warm lead, and the cool leads. Show me the activity, the opens. Now, this isn't something the Follow Up Boss doesn't already do. It gives me all of those data, but now basically I just organize those data in a way that I think is important for my business. And by the way, if you want to get access to all the Claude prompts and skills, you can get that in my free newsletter using the link down below. And the second use case that I train my Claude AI assistant how to enter leads into my Follow Up Boss CRM. I know you and I, we probably get random calls from a potential lead, random text from a potential lead. We might just meet someone on the street. All of those information, some moment in time, I usually put a time block on my calendar to put those leads into my calendar. But now, instead of going into Follow Up Boss, I just come back here and I just upload a screenshot of the text message. Let me just do that real quick. I'll just say add this lead to Follow Boss, FUB. And then I just screenshot my text, the conversation that it had. So it's gonna get all of that context as notes and it's gonna add that phone number, add the name into the CRM. So now I can track everything. And by the way, if you have multiple screenshots or multiple contacts, you can screenshot all of them and just add all of them as screenshots and you'll add it to Follow Boss. Instead of going to the platform and manually entering everything, which I absolutely hate. Now everything is just done automatically. And I love that skill. And another way I can add leads is I can just press this little button right here. I can just talk to my CRM right here. and say, add a new lead, phone number 123456, name is Jonathan Smith, and he is looking to buy in 2028. So if I wanted to, I can just talk to my Claude AI assistant and just click send, and it will add this information into the CRM. I don't know about you. I think using my voice to communicate with my computer is one of the biggest breakthrough in this AI era. It becomes more efficient. I can communicate a lot faster, a lot more words per minute. And I think this is just the way it's going to move forward. And by the way, if you want me to set up your AI assistant that it can manage your CRM for you, just like what I'm doing here in this video for Follow Up Boss, you can learn more about that using the link down below. And now let's check back to the progress. Right here, you can see he added Nayeli and Jimmy Arevelo. I don't really know their name that well. So they are now active clients. They're buying a new construction. They already toured the property. They just wanted me to help them negotiate. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple deal. And just as simple, as straightforward as that. The next use case is that Claude is actually writing up my follow-up sequences from my own videos. Follow Boss is very powerful. One of the reasons is that it has automatic sequences. Many CRM comes with this automatically sending up text, emails, notifications based on a particular tag. I actually paid a consultant to help me set up my Follow Up Boss with all of the sequences. Those are very generic sequences. What I did, I asked my Claude AI assistant to go in back to my CRM sequences and ask it, hey, here are my YouTube videos, because my AI assistant knows what YouTube videos that I have, and then they know what these YouTube videos are about. And I said, create a more personalized, more specific sequence using my YouTube videos, meaning that if it's the first time home buyer moving from California, send them these videos and include that in the follow-up sequences. And now I can have multiple sequences for a particular type of client, whether they came from Facebook lead. I will tell my Claude, write a follow-up sequence for Facebook leads, let's say for downsizing clients. So now he knows that the context, this is for downsizing clients here in the Austin area, and it came from Facebook. And because of all the training data I provided before, it knows Facebook leads, we need to text them within the first second. We need to send them very frequent follow emails and give them videos that can let them know about who I am so that I can warm them up and get them on the call as soon as possible. And because of that, I can spin up sequences and spin up Facebook campaigns very, very easily. Instead of manually going into my Follow Up Boss and trying to create those follow-up sequences and write every single email template, now this thing is connected to my Follow Up Boss, is writing all of that for me. And I find this extremely powerful. And I want to reiterate, instead of having generic drips like just checking in, still looking, following again, because Claude, my AI assistant, knows my voice, the way I write, and the right video that I created, because I create a lot of videos for my YouTube channel. It will actually have the whole video library and then use that as a follow-up message. And that becomes very specific. And I get a lot more engagement because of that. And the final use case I want to talk about is that we know as Follow Up Boss users, we don't have native IDX. We don't have a way to connect to IDX. We need to have our own real estate website. And my workflow used to be, when I get a new lead, I gotta import it to Follow Up Boss, and then I have to somehow connect or sync the leads from Follow Up Boss to my Real Geeks CRM, just so I can set up a search alert. Now what I do is I just say sync Jimmy to my Real Geeks site. So now what it does is it's just going to sync that lead automatically to my Real Geeks website. So I can set up a search alert for them to find new properties. It's a simple, straightforward task. And now I want to talk about what is next. What is something that I'm trying to work on for my Follow Up Boss? The next thing I'm doing is that I'm going to set up an AI caller that's going to call the cold leads, the internet leads for me. So when a new lead that comes in, is going to trigger my AI voice agent that's going to call and qualify and then books it onto my calendar. I'm going to report back in probably a few months or so and see how that goes. But I personally haven't really been pushing this because most of my leads came in are my warm leads. These are the leads from my YouTube channel who already know about me. I like to give a more personal touch to these people instead of having my AI voice agent to call them and qualify them. But I think what I can do, what I think could be a good path forward, I set up an AI that is not calling cold leads, but more of a follow-up lead and say, hey, you just talked with William. agent. Just want to make sure everything's okay. He wanted me to reach out and see if there's anything you would like to do next or anything that he missed that you want to add to the conversation. So that's going to report back to me. So I think that's going to be a really good follow-up call. Imagine after every conversation that you had with a client, you have an AI voice agent that follows up and say, hey, just want to make sure everything's okay in case he missed anything. Is there anything else you want me to do or ask him so I can get back to you? That's going to be part of that follow-up process. And I think in the future, all of the clients will be better served when there's an AI following up after a conversation. That's just how I see future clients going to have better experience. And the real estate agent, real estate team, real estate brokerage implementing that into their customer experience is going to provide the best service that people just cannot stop talking about it. This is part of becoming an AI native agent. You want to set up these workflows, set up these processes where you're using AI in every step of your business to help you get more clients, better serve your clients, and keep your clients. If you want to learn how to do that, you can sign up for my real estate AI bootcamp using the link down below. It is a 3-week live cohort. We go over how to build your own AI assistant, how to build a skill that manages your CRM, and how to build an AI content system that help you attract leads instead of chasing them. This is a 3-week live build. It's a limited spot. I launch the program from time to time. If you're interested in that, check out the link down below. You can either join the waitlist or sign up for the next cohort. And as I mentioned before, if you need a Follow Up Boss setup service, you can learn more using the link down below as well. And check out this next video about AI in real estate.